Okay, today we're going to look at graphs of polynomial functions, and we're going to base our discussion off of their degrees. And while we're doing this, we're only going to focus on degree 2 and degree 3, but keep in mind that what we're learning applies in general. The inner shape changes a little bit based on the degree, but the outer effects are the same. And so we're going to start with degree 2, and remember, degree 2 polynomial means the highest degree is 2. And if we were to point plot any degree 2 polynomial, we'd notice that we get this U shape, like here or here. And so the big difference is there's a divide between these two. If the coefficient of the x squared term, the highest term, is positive, then it's always going up. If it's negative, though, like in this case, if it's negative, then it's always going down from its starting point. And so if we knew that we were graphing, say, x squared minus 4, we'd know that this is one that's going to go up somewhere. So those are our degree 2. And the big thing, again, the big takeaway is degree 2, both edges are going the same direction, and they're either going up if it's positive or they're going down if it's negative. Okay, now we're going to look at a degree 3, so we're going to look at cubics. And these are our 4 basic shapes depending on the way that the cube is set up. Usually if it's just a cube and a number, then you're dealing with one like this or like this. Now I want you to notice here that one arrow is going down and one arrow is going up. And the same thing's true on our divide with our negatives. But if you look closely, you can tell which one it is, because if it's positive, the right side is up. If it's negative, the left side is up. So the positive infinity is up if it's positive, and the negative infinity is up if it's negative. So let's actually use this thought process. Let's look at a particular function. So we have which of the followings is f of x equals x cubed minus 3. Now, because it's an x cubed, and this is true for all of the odds, it means one's up and one's down. So this one's ruled out because they're both going up. This one's ruled out because they're both going up. And so the only two it could be C or it could be D. Well, if we remember what we said, we look at the lead number, and the lead number is a 1 because nothing's there, and it's positive. That means the positive infinity side is up, so this guy's up. So it can't be this one for 2 reasons. 1, it's got the wrong side up and the wrong side down, and 2, it doesn't curve. This is a linear, or a degree 1 line, if it's just a straight line. So degree 1 can't be a degree 3. But our degree 3, we've got a curve in it like we're expecting, and more importantly, we have the right side up and the left side down. So the answer is D. So using this information, we can figure out the basic shape of the graph if all we know is the power.